If you messed up your Windows machine by installing some new software or making some new configurations or even an update, is it now slow, unresponsive, or doing some weird things? Let me show you how to do a system restore.
Firstly, we will start by creating a restore point. Search for create restore point or just type in restore. Selecting create restore point will open the system properties. Make sure that system protections is turned on. You can do this by selecting configure and making sure that it's turned on over there. Make sure that your maximum usage is not too large and press OK. And now we're going to create our restore point. Press system restore. There you will see that there's already a restore point created. Restore points are created when you install software or when you install updates. There you would see that one was created by an install of updates. So let's select create and let's create the restore point manually. We'll name it test. It will take a few seconds depending on the speed of your device. It might take a few minutes. Once it's successfully created, you can press OK. And to test our restore point, we will install some software and we will also uninstall some software. So I'm going to Microsoft Store and then I'll install the Netflix app. Give it a few seconds. Depending on your internet speed, I did forward it a bit so we don't have to wait for this process. Let's just close that. Next, we'll go to add and remove programs and let's remove one of the programs on the computer. Let's remove the Xbox Live and Xbox Console companion apps. See how that affects the system restore. Let's also install VLC. Go to the VLC website and let's select download VLC. Once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and install the program. Let's close that and press OK. Let's press next. We're not going to use the app, it's just for testing purposes. Give it a few minutes to install. So finish. Over there you can see that the program has been installed. Is it on the desktop? So now let's go back. Let me show you how to open restore from your control panel. Go to control panel and then you'll see over there is recovery. Select configure system restore. Press system restore. So over there is the recommended restore point, but you can also choose a different restore point. You can see what would be affected if you select that restore point. So there you can see all the updates that I've ran. First time it created a restore point automatically, but that we don't want to roll back so far, so we'll choose a different restore point. Over there you'll see test, which is manually created. Let's see what's affected. Over there you'll see VLC. So it doesn't say Netflix. So I'm guessing it won't uninstall Netflix. Select it and press next. Press finish. And then just say yes. Make sure you do not interrupt it. This will take a few minutes. Your computer will restart, as you can see over there. That takes quite some time because the computer was quite slow, but I did speed it up a little bit. Over there you can see the restore point was completed successfully. On the desktop you can see that VLC is no longer there. Let's go to our settings and let's see our apps. Scroll down. Over there you can see Xbox Console Companion is back and also Xbox Live. VLC is completely removed. But as you can see, the Netflix app was not uninstalled. Thank you for watching.